Hey everybody, I'm Tyler Weiss, and I'm going to be telling you about the AYAMAYA fan today. It's portable, and it's got a lot of great features. So let's start off back here. So you got a handle, that's pretty nice, and then this right here is a hook. So you just push it up right there, and then you can just hook that in your tent or wherever else you want it, and that's really awesome. And then right here you got your charging port. So you can charge it USB-C, and then you can also like plug in your phone cord or whatever to charge your phone. Forgot to mention this moves.
Cool.
So you can lean it up against something like that to get the best angle.
So it's like almost like a stand for the floor then as well.
Yeah.
Cool.
You got your fan button, so that'll turn it on. And there's a bunch of different speeds. And then right here is your battery life. And right here is the LED. So you have a bunch of different levels on the light and the fan. And it comes with a remote and your cord. So this remote has an off button for both of them and an on button. And then you got...
So both of what? The fan and the light?
Yeah.
Okay.
Both fan and light. And then... So you can have slow and then fast, and then you can set a timer for both of them. It's like 5 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, whatever you want.
Sweet.
And it also comes in this really nice camo green.
Yeah, that is
which
nice.
I like.
Can you turn the light on?
Yep. So that's
See if we can
weak.
see. We're outside, but
Stronger, and then it turns off.
do it one more time. Okay, awesome. That's actually a lot of light coming out from there. Very cool. Awesome. So what do you see as being like the main way that you would use this?
I would use it camping during the summers because I always find myself, especially when I'm in a tent, just getting really hot and sweating.
Awesome.
So I'd hook it up on the top or just set it next to me.
And then you can just, hook it up however you want. You can even do like a semi-permanent hookup, and then you've got the remote to just...
Turn it on and off.
Yeah, turn it on and off. You don't have to be fumbling around on the back side of it. Super cool. All right, buddy. Well, thank you.